Here are my aesthetics 6th grade books.
Okay, art and craft.
Art and craft. One French. Let's cut the string. One Nikunj Pathmala. One
Hindi
Vyakaran Sambodh. One IT.
IT is IT is IT code AI plus.
Code AI plus. Then we have
life skill and moral science.
Life skills and moral science.
Then you have
Frontiers, general knowledge book, GK.
General knowledge book.
Then this is the science pack. Let's take it out. Here's the science pack. Aesthetic unboxing. Dimensions, math. Math. Enhanced English grammar and composition. Science.
Science.
English expert. Literature. SST. Social science.
And it will be an integrated workbook.
Additional worksheets book.
So total 6 books.
Yes. Now the notebooks.
স্কুল থেকে দিয়েছিল মনে আছে কি তো লাস্ট টাইম এটা Vaishali Shinde mine now. So when school will start, they will give them. Thanks for that. That's why Baba. So must be content must be more. ऐसा ही होगा ना.
This is the book list.
For where?